Welcome.
Welcome to West Coast Sweat.
Welcome.
Welcome. Nice to see you. Come on in.
Welcome to West Coast Sweat. Hot yoga imasu.
Welcome.
Welcome. We're happy to see you.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome. Are you ready for this? Welcome.
Welcome, my name is Rosa and I'm the owner of West Coast Sweat. At West Coast Sweat, we're a compassionate bunch and we help people heal and grow through the powerful teachings of original hot yoga and more. Our classes are not only physically challenging, but they're also mentally, emotionally, and spiritually healing, and that's no joke. This space is special and we want you here because your potential to learn about yourself, heal, recover, and transform is amplified in a group class setting. That's part of the magic. We have some of the most amazing teachers around, and we make it our mission to be your guide in class. And we've been doing this for nearly 20 years. The core of what we teach is Bikram yoga, also known as original hot yoga, because we know it has the power to save lives. We also teach Inferno Hot Pilates, which is a low impact, high intensity interval training class based on Pilates principles. This is a fantastic therapeutic fitness class for your Bikram yoga practice. It's a great complement. Our work in this space is devoted to uniting and healing people through sweating, breathing, and practicing stillness together. From all of us at West Coast Sweat, welcome. We can't wait to meet you, and we can't wait to see you on your mat. We have so much to do. Let's get started. Book your class now.